Hey, this is your favorite tech, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your Facebook Messenger camera or webcam is not working in Windows 10. Also, if your webcam in general is not getting recognized in Windows 10 or in Skype or in Facebook or in some type of cam, especially if you had Windows 7 and you upgraded recently to Windows 10. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to Reg, Edit, right? We're going to right click, Run as Admin. Make sure you're the administrator, okay? And what we're going to do, we're going to start off at H key local machine. Then we're going to select software. We're going to scroll down to WoW Node 32. Then we're going to find Microsoft. Then we're going to scroll down in the Microsoft folder all the way to Windows Media Foundations. It's going to be toward the W's. And then lastly, we're going to go into platform. Now we're going to right click into this empty space right here and click new. And we're looking for the word 32-bit value. Even if you're in a 64-bit computer, we're still going to select this. And it's going to create a new value. Next, we're going to rename this. And it's going to be enable frame server mode, and then press enter. Now I want you to double click on this, and the value should be 0. If it's any other number other than 0, then change it to 0 and press OK. Okay, that's pretty much it. Now go ahead and reset your computer, and that should fix your problem, specifically people who upgraded from Windows 7 to Windows 10, and you should be able to see your webcam. Keep in mind, we do tech support. If you need help, we can remote into your computer and help you with your tech problem. Just text the number on the screen or find the number in the description. Also, you can check us out at repairmystuff.net. As always, I'm your favorite tech out. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.